Why does pool algae keep coming back into my pool? I have skimmed, I've vacuumed, and I've ran my pool pump nonstop. I've used algicide, and then I shocked the heck out of it. It went away, and everything was fine. But now it's back. And the thing that's starting to worry me is that when I backwash my filter, it normally comes out clean, but then it clears up, but now it's coming out green again. So the algae just keeps coming back, and there's a few reasons why that could happen. Check it out. First, and probably the biggest reason, is a lack of sanitation or neglect. So if you're not keeping your sanitizer level in your pool at a normal operating level that's recommended for that particular type of sanitizer, in this case, let's say it's chlorine, you need to keep your chlorine at 3 parts per million. If your chlorine dips below that at any given time, it goes to 0. During that time at 0, your pool is susceptible to algae growth. It's going to happen. So obviously, we don't want that to happen, which is why we have things like automatic chlorinators that just constantly add chlorine to your pool. We just want to make sure that there's always chlorine in your pool or always a sanitizer in your pool. That's the first line of defense. And, you really wouldn't need an algicide if that was the case, because chlorine is technically, it kills algae. So an algae cannot grow in a pool that has sanitizer. The other reason it could be your chemistry is out of whack. So maybe your pH and alkalinity are low, maybe they're high, maybe your calcium's low, maybe it's high. And when these things are low, even though you might have enough sanitizer in the water, it's not going to be nearly as effective if those things are not in balance. So if you put those things in balance and you have enough sanitizer, you are protecting your pool from an algae infestation. The other reason it could be is poor circulation. So if you have parts of your pool that are just not being circulated well, you have like these corners, crevices underneath ladders or on steps, and you're just not churning all of that water and letting it go through your filter system, well, a couple of things are happening. One, you're not dispersing the chemicals through your water enough, and those little pockets can start breeding algae, and then it could get very out of control at that point. Real quick, before we continue, if you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial that'll answer all your pool questions, go check out our Pool Care Handbook and video course. You'll get over 30 in-depth video lessons and a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything you need to know about pool maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your swimming pool clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of pool, including in-ground, above-ground, and in-text blow-up pools. And the best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. So because you're watching this video, you can go to swimuniversity.com/pool and use the promo code video. The other thing it could be is floats, bathing suits, things that you maybe took to the ocean maybe, or to a lake, or you took it out of your pool, you took it somewhere else, maybe you took it to somebody else's pool who had an algae problem, and now you're adding that back to your pool, and it's just going to keep coming back, because even if you go and kill all the algae that first happened, then you have this float that you didn't kill the algae on, and it's just going to keep adding the algae back to your pool. And so that could be it. Could be bathing suits. So just wash those, disinfect your floats. You can use, a mild bleach solution if you want to, just to kind of kill any bacteria or algae spores that are on your floats or your pool cleaning equipment, any of that. And here's the thing. If you didn't get rid of it the first time, that could be the problem, right? So maybe you had all this green water, you had all this algae, and you tried to get rid of it, but you really didn't get rid of all of it. You didn't do a good job brushing, because if you have a little crevice somewhere and you didn't brush the algae out of that crevice to get it into the water and then, shock the heck out of it and killed it, well, it's still there and it's just going to keep coming back. So you have to make sure that you're really killing the algae. So if you have algae currently, you brush the entire pool. You vacuum the pool, you skim the pool, you get all of that algae off the walls because it likes to cling to walls and steps and all the other things in your pool. So get it off, get it mixed into the water. You want to chlorinate it so that it kills it. Now, when you do that, you're going to kill all the algae, and that's going to be great, and you're going to keep filtering. But at that point, you want to make sure that your sanitizer level is always good, and that your chemistry is always good, and that you have good circulation after that, and then the algae will not come back. So that's it. If there's a pool care topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, please leave a comment to let us know. And hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about pool maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and check out the Pool Care Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/pool. Don't forget to enter the promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again, and happy swimming.